Atomic Ivy MMO video 407 Hardtex part 6. In the function boilerplate section, we have added a helper function that is called out of bounds message min, max, and value. It's just a bounds checking function that takes all of these parameters, the message, the minimum and maximum inclusive bounds, and the value we want to bounds check. If we are within bounds, we're going to do nothing. Otherwise, we're going to concat an error message with this base error message and the custom input error message here, and then we're just going to throw an error. And that will crash the game, by the way. Inside of this function, hardtex pattern h3x, h3y, this is the hotel cell that we want to put a pattern into, and then do a subtexture push to analyze how the pattern gets corrupted by our invalid subtexture push, because we're trying to figure out what's wrong with the subtexture push. Inside of this function, we're starting to fill it out. We've done just a little bounds check here on these input parameters. Right now, there is only one pattern, so the minimum and maximum bound is just 0, because the enumeration for the first pattern will be 0. For the hotel cell, it exists on a 3x3 grid. So h3x and h3y should be between 0 and 2 inclusively, right? Because we start counting at 0. So 0, 1, and 2. We even have the bounds listed in the comments right up here. We need to do more stuff here, but that's enough for one video. And we're still yelling at you if you do up, up, down, down, left, right, and any of the numpad keys 1 through 9. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes. And then down here is what we did in this video. You can pause here to read that. You are on the fast advanced playlist on the Kanji Coder channel. If you want a slower playlist, you can go here, and I'll take 10 minutes to describe the code I just went over. So that's on the Ninja Coder channel. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like and subscribe.